Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by Shadowcraft today. First, I'd like to thank all my 335 viewers who have helped me so far, all my subbies. You guys are amazing. Okay, I have a Temu haul today. I'm going to try to start a small business so I can buy food and pay bills like everybody else, I guess. So we'll start with this haul. These are lanyards for the cell phone. I'm going to start making little charms for cell phones because right now that's all I can afford to do, if that. This pack came with 100 different colors, which isn't a bad deal. I mean, I paid like $1.50 for this, so that's 100 that I can make. I also got black ones, and there's 100 to come with this. So that ought to turn out pretty good. I need a whole new different bag for these. Oh, it's gonna be hard to find. Okay. These glow in the dark. I didn't realize they were really, really tiny. They're seed beads. And to be honest, I don't remember how many you're supposed to get in this. There's 2,000 pieces in this. I need to get me one of those automatic beaters. Okay. These are charms. See, I'm trying to get back into doing spiritual work. And this is for the people who don't really get into that. You get 10 in this package. And there's 100 pieces of these beads of silver. And they are of the zodiac. I did say look pretty cool. Okay, let's be nice. There you go. There might be a few messed up ones in there, but you know what? For $1, I don't care. $1.50, I don't care. I got 100 of them. And yes, this is my second attempt at doing this because I spelled something wrong. So these are little hearts. The holes are on the side. I got a really. It doesn't say how many you get, but they're metallic in color. I think I got like 100 of each. I don't know. Not quite sure. And these, as you can see, are yin yangs. This has both of these in there. I'm not going to take them out because it's annoying to put them at. There's 50 of these. And the holes are on the side for that. There are 50 of these. The holes are on the side for that. This is a combination of both. And you know what? I'll separate that later. This is also zodiac signs. With black backgrounds and they're multicolor. I love these. These are like so awesome. Apparently I bought 2 bags. I don't remember buying 2 bags, but you know what? I'll take it. The more the merrier. And these are spacer beads. Everybody knows I love blue, so I got the blue ones. These are actually kind of small. That's okay, because I'm just making small stuff for the phone. There you go. Oh, perfect. And that's it for my small quote business haul. Yes, I'm going to try to get really, really cute with these. I don't know how I'm supposed to do that just yet, but I do have my plans, just like everybody else. And I hope that you like, share, subscribe. Please check out my About section if you wish to do more. And don't forget, I'm doing a Doctor Who collab. So please check that out. If you wish to join, please watch the video on my main page. It's already got 111 views. Like, share, subscribe. Have a great day. Namaste.